Hey guys, it's Ting here. How are you all doing? I hope you're all well. So today I just wanted to show you guys what is in the September Lengbox. Here it is. So as you can see, you'll find 9 full and travel size products in your September Lengbox. So September's Lengbox is all about hydration, making your skin really glowy, and also preparing your skin for the cold weather to come. So first of all, I want to show you guys this really cute travel set by PYUNGKANG. I know my pronunciation might not be on point, but please forgive me. First product that I'm going to show you guys in this travel set is this essence toner, and it's a really famous one in the K-beauty community. First of all, this product is formulated with root extract ingredients. The texture is a little bit different to the normal toner. It's a little bit more thicker. It's in between a essence and toner, hence the name. This one you can apply day and night time. Next up is the low pH pore cleansing foam. Due to the low pH of this product, it's really great for sensitive skin. The reason it's called the pore deep cleansing foam is because it's formulated to just get rid of all that stubborn dirt and grease stuck inside your pores. Next up is this super cute miniature nutrition cream. So I don't know about you guys, but I am personally a really big fan of cute miniature products. And lastly is this 4-pack sample set. All of these products are under 100ml, so it's great for traveling. I just want to say that this essence toner also retails at $9.50 on its own. So it's pretty good value if you want to try something and get this as a part of a set. The next product is this Nature Republic Soothing Gel Mist. So some of you guys may already know that the Nature Republic Aloe Gel Tub is one of my favourite products, so you can understand how excited I was to hear about this mist. This is a soothing and moisturising gel mist that's formulated with 92% aloe vera. As well as moisturising your skin, this also creates a nice barrier on your skin to protect your skin from any external environmental aggressors. You probably don't realise it on a daily basis, but our skin is exposed to pollution or dust or smoke every day. So for some of us, i.e. myself, this can further sensitise sensitive skin. So I just like to apply a little barrier to protect my skin. Really excited to show you guys the next product because it's just super fun to use, and it's this silver foil peel off mask. It literally is what it says on the pack. It's like a silver style mask. You leave it on for about 20 minutes and then you just peel it off. With this product you only have to use it once a week because it's like a peel off mask and it's formulated to make your skin really nice and glowy. P.S. You'll also look like the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz, so don't forget to take your selfies. Now I'm going to move on to the sheet mask, and I'm going to start with this one from Nature Republic. It's the Chamomile sheet mask. This mask is infused in chamomile extract. It provides intense moisture to your skin and it just leaves it feeling really nice and refreshed, and it's suitable for all skin types. So next up we have this blueberry sheet mask from the same. This is an energizing sheet mask which is really great for dull and aging skin. This one is also suitable for all skin types. And last but not least, a coffee milk sheet mask. I think we can all agree that this packaging is just so adorable. It comes drenched in coffee milk and it's formulated for anti-wrinkle care. So yeah, all in all it contains coffee seed extract and collagen to plump up and wake up your skin. So here is the final box. So there's limited quantity available online, so check it out. While I have you guys here, I just want to say a big thank you for last month's, because we sold out of the August box in the first week. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop me a message in the comment section or feel free to DM me. And as always, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.